Hey, third graders.
Welcome back to another episode of Science.
Scientist Poppy here.
And Scientist Pelzel.
So today we are going to make some fluffy slime for our science experiment. But remember, doing science experiments is important to remember to either ask for parent permission and also ask for parents' supervision during your science experiments.
All right, so for our fluffy slime, there are a few ingredients that you need in order to make this. The first one is baking soda. So this was probably found in your kitchen somewhere. In cookies you use it or other sorts of baking. Something else you will need is shaving cream. This is gonna make it nice and fluffy. You'll also need some glue, some saline solution or contact solution, and again, some food coloring. All right, so in order to make fluffy slime, basically you're gonna measure out these ingredients and then mix them all together.
Alrighty,
All right.
let's get started.
All right, so we are going to start with the glue since that's the sticky stuff. So, Mrs. Poppy, do you want to pour in the glue?
I would love to. So in our set of directions, we are going to use half a cup of Elmer's glue. So I'm using my measuring cup and I am going to pour in a half a cup
Perfect.
of glue.
After that, I'm going to pour in a teaspoon of baking soda. So just a little bit.
To add our contact solution. So 1 tablespoon into our mixture.
Perfect. And now we can add food coloring of your choice. So you can go ahead and pick your favorite color. I think we'll go with green for the Trojans.
Yeah.
So we'll add some drops of that in there.
Ooh, that's looking good.
All right. And you can always add more later on.
Maybe
So
we'll just stir that green
mix
in.
that all together. Ooh, nice. All right. So now we have one more ingredient left. That is our shaving cream. So you need to add 3 cups of this foaming shaving cream in there. So we're just going to kind of measure that out to see where that will bring us.
Ooh.
All right, let's mix that all up.
And you might get a little messy.
And that's okay because science can be messy.
Science is messy. We're getting somewhere. And you know what Mrs. Poppy might do?
Just dig on in. Ooh, it's starting to feel
Ooh,
slimy.
it's looking slimy.
There we go.
Look at our green slime.
Ooh, cool.
Super cool. So you guys, with your parents' permission and supervision, can make some cool green fluffy slime.